The Republic of Komi is a place where dreams come true. This is the area of amazing appropriations. Here for thousands of years the nature has been given a chance to attain harmony and serenity, to derive energy, and to restore one's strength, to get an incomparable pleasure from dipping into the outworld beauty, to take a deep breath and feel an incredible freedom, and to admire the Komi land's abundance and benevolence. The Republic of Komi is located in the extreme northeast of European Russia. The total area of Komi is 416.8 thousand square kilometers. The Republic of Komi is an equally constituent entity of the Russian Federation. It has its own constitution, flag, and coat of arms. The Republic of Komi is rich in its natural sites. Yugodava National Park is the largest specially protected area both in Russia and Europe. In 1995, together with the Pechero Ilyich Nature Reserve, it was put in UNESCO World Heritage List. The first World Moose Farm is located in this park. The columns of erosion are the visiting card of the Republic of Komi. They belong to the 7 wonders of Russia and possess themselves as a unique geological monument. But the main treasure of the Republic is its national traditions and a peculiar lifestyle of the native people. According to scientists' estimates, people firstly came to the Komi land about 300,000 years ago. The Komi-Zirian ancestors were initially known as the Perms. The Komi-Zirians belong to the Finno-Ugric and Samoyed peoples family. The Finns, the Hungarians, the Estonians, the Udmurts, and the Nenyets and other peoples also belong to this group. The total people's amount is 24. Over 25% of Komi citizens are represented by the native people. People of 124 nationalities represent the population of the Republic.
Здесь, в Республике Коми, очень трепетно и бережно относятся к культуре, традициям коренного народа. Само отношение средств массовой информации или медиасообщества в республике, мне кажется, очень позитивно и очень профессионально относится к этой тематике. И мы, как правительство республики, конечно, это искренне поддерживаем.
Komi people possess great possibilities to share its life events via mass media using Komi language. In 2001, Komi Republican Broadcasting Company started its work. It joins Jürgen, sounding as a translation from Komi, station, and Komi National Radio. The third of Jürgen channel total TV time is given to the broadcast in Komi language. Our People broadcast is devoted to the ordinary people living in rural areas, to those who are the main Komi native speakers. There are also entertaining broadcasts in Komi within the station viewing grid. The station national youth audience is interested for humoristic games broadcasts. Jürgen's station is also broadcasting cartoons and feature films that serve the Komi language development and promotion. Among the children broadcasts, there are Cholum Julik, Hi Kid, and Choyovoka, Brother and Sister. Due to internet broadcast, the Komi National Radio can be heard at any place in the world. Music, people, songs, and contemporary Komi stage singing are at the bottom of the Komi National Radio. Besides musical broadcasts, the Komi National Radio provides news in Komi and Russian languages, educational programs for children, including radio performances. It should be remarked that from 2011, the Komi language as a state language learning has become a compulsory subject in the schools of Komi. A considerable support in Komi language studies to school children and their parents is provided by mass media educational projects. 16 newspapers and magazines in Komi language are being published in the Republic of Komi. Readers of different ages can obtain information from them. Komi Mu, the biggest media holding, unites 5 editions.
В наш информационный холдинг входят все 5 национальных изданий. Это у нас 2 журнала, чушканзы сатирические и литературный воевой ходю, и 3 газеты. Это у нас «Дело как для молодежи», это у нас «Коми Му», а еще один журнал, это «Бикин для детей». Мы занимаемся, кроме издания газет и журналов, еще и книгоизданием.
The success of the Republic of Komi in preserving and developing Komi culture, language, and traditions are internationally acknowledged.
Наша республика была в числе первых, кто обратила внимание на язык коренного народа данной территории, то есть Коми. И не просто обратила внимание, а приняла один из первых в России законодательных актов в защиту этого языка, признала его государственным. Сегодня состоялась презентация первого мультфильма на коми языке. на стихи Ивана Куратова, основоположника коми литературы. И так можно привести ряд примеров, в том числе и использование его, скажем, в интернете.
Finugor.ru website allocates news and articles in English, Russian, and Finno-Ugric languages.
Республика Коми является бесспорным лидером в сфере информационной работы в финно-угорском мире. В частности, в нашей республике уже 11 лет действует информационный центр финно-угорских народов Финугор. Наш центр занимается популяризацией и пропагандой не только коми языка и культуры, что вполне естественно, поскольку мы находимся в Коми республике, но также и продвижением и популяризацией финно-угорских языков и культур, рассчитанных на весь большой финно-угорский мир.
Not so long ago, the Buranovsky Babushki band from Udmurtia, the Udmurt native people is the closest language-related people of the Komi, took second place in the Eurovision International TV Musical Contest. The young Komi are actively using social networks. At present, the activists of Komi Youth Movement are translating into Komi the interface of the popular Russian social network, which is an analog to Facebook.
Коми культура, кыв, да олас ногвиджем лелькуйтем, щете пожанлун вылелептем юрен виджедне, ас елунас.